Hello students, welcome at Educare. This is Vinod Bihani and we are continuing our session on how to study mathematics, its second part. In the first part, we have seen up to school level standard 10 how the mathematics is to be getting clear in the sense how should it one get interest to study maths in higher level also in college also. That's why we are continuing for the second session. What changes should be there, what improvement, what modification in the mathematics study required after school level in college level. That is, after 10 standard, especially when student take the science side, mathematics is there compulsory. Some student leave maths because there is option in some cases. I will suggest don't leave maths, because if you leave mathematics, then it will be there adverse effect on the subject like physics and chemistry also, and also your chances to get success in competitive exams like NEET, MHT, CET, JEE and many more options that you will lose. So don't leave mathematics, don't keep it aside and take interest. If you have already interest, increase that interest. Okay, then up to 10 standard students, you know that what you have studied, all that mainly topics from your side, that algebra, geometry and arithmetic. In the 4th, 5th standard up to the primary level, you study arithmetic, then it get algebra added and suitably geometry also. Many topics from arithmetic, algebra and geometry up to school level in 10 standard or up to 10 standard, I mean that you are doing it correctly. But I will suggest all the necessary formulae and the results, theorems, mathematical processes to solve the problem you should know of that level. So what is important, previous all mathematical results the student should know up to the 10 standard when they will enter in the college in 11 standard. Now what happens in 11 standard, that is after 10 standard, there are two main branches of mathematics get added, one that called as calculus and other that called as statistics. However, statistics after 12th has the different side which is not considered as the mathematics branch. It is itself one subject in higher level. However, here we suppose it is a part of mathematics there. The very important part that calculus get added in the college level, and calculus has many topics like their derivatives, integration, and before even derivatives and integration, there are topics like relations and function. In mathematics of higher level, functions is very important concept that is here denoted by such symbol y equal to fx. That means y depend on x for its value. I take simple example to know y equal to sin x. When you write there y is function of x, that means y depends on x. Although we are not taking any topic here, we are only trying to explain how to study maths, what the stresses, what the importance and how to increase the interest if you have already. So calculus is the main part after 10 standard, because the geometry you know already, arithmetic you know, algebra you know somewhat, but this calculus is new for you. It is not that true that you all know algebra, all know geometry. There are many topics get added, like there is matrices, determinants, complex numbers, logarithms, progressions and the trigonometry, very detailed after 10 standard. In your 11th, 12th, when you come that to take science there, and then when you subject have the mathematics, trigonometry is very detailed. Whatever you studied in 9th and 10th standard trigonometry, it is few times, at least 10 to 20 times or even more that you study trigonometry in these classes. There are lot of hundreds of formulae there in trigonometry itself. Then what about other topics that also contain formulae? So the formulae and theorems, that is the backbone of mathematics to solve the problems. And then the revision practice. Once you understood the concept, you know the formula, how to use, you know the method of solving question, then why not to solve every problem on exercise from exercise without taking anybody's help. Remember, in the book there are given solved problems. Students are neglecting those solved problems. No, I will suggest see those problems how they are solved, and then you will able to solve easily the problems given to solve you in the exercise. And those every problem from exercise when you start, that will increase your confidence. You will ready to solve more and more questions. That will increase your accuracy, and then it is necessary to catch the speed. So solving of problems, making practice, revising that, keep in touch every topic, every formula, every method to solve the problem, and then you will have that success formula: accuracy plus speed. Whatever that exams taken after 10 standard, especially after 11 12, that is, I mean that exam like JEE or MHCT or other engineering side courses where the students face such a competitive exam, there also mathematics very important. And as I have just mentioned, mathematics is equally important to physics and chemistry. For the numerical problems to solve, you should able to know how to use log table. Logarithm is very important in mathematics, and you search where that lesson you get in syllabus in 11th 12th or up to 10th standard. And then what it is necessary to know, when you use all these results, for example from coordinate geometry, from lower standard you already know distance formula, section formula, centroid formula, then the equation of line in various form. There are new topics also get added after 10th standard there, and that increase your knowledge. So keep practicing, have that formulae to read every day, and keep your notes up to date. That's required to improve your mathematics. Okay, thanks. As we have come to an end, like this video, comment which concept you want to see next, share this video with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on that notification bell icon.